Hi, there's my cousin eating shomai, and I'm not eating because I'm not hungry. So yeah, she's eating because she likes to eat. She likes to eat the shomai because it's tasty. You can see the shomai, the tasty shomai.
Yeah, yes, it's format. So,
Yes. Uh, you can look around a bit about the Pantalan in Ngood City. We are now here, and I'm left behind here. I'm not eating.
that's
I'm
why
just.
she's thin. That's why she's very thin.
That's not true.
She's really thin. She's really, really thin. She might be blown by the air or something.
Wow, that's totally not true. Don't listen to her. I'm not. I'm just not eating because I don't feel like it. Yes. If you would give me a gummy foods, then I'll eat it definitely. I
Actually,
love.
gummy foods want no one wanted to be ambok-ambok. Joke,
I don't care
joke.
as long as I'll eat the gummy bears, the gummy foods.
So yeah.
Yes. Uh, I don't know what to say, but I thank God for not continuing the rain. Yes, so we're here now because it's not raining. I'll film later. Bye.